Hey guys, so today we are looking for 3 peer-reviewed sources on PubMed. My topic is what effects does alcohol have on physical activity? So we are going to begin our search for our topic. Click search. So we have almost 20,000 results. So my first source that I found was alcohol, athletic performance, and recovery. So you can check each one that is helpful to you, and then you can go back and view them. It says select it. You can save them to your computer, you can email them, or you can send them to someone else. So I'm going to click here, and it gives you the abstract, articles that are similar, the citations, the references. You can click right here to open the full text. And then you can also cite. So let me back up. That was my first one. My second one is this one, impact of physical exercise on substance abuse disorders. And then my third one is this one, the effects of physical activity on symptoms of depression and anxiety in adults with alcohol use disorder. So I'll check that one off. Then I will come up here, and then this is where I email them to myself for future use.